Hello everybody. Today we're gonna make pasta with the kofta ball. It's amazing. Let's start. First step, I add onion with the parsley, mix it, take it to add to the beef and add all the spices and mix it very well to go to another step. In this step we need to make a small ball as we see and go to fry. For a fry in the high heat, little oil, and we fry just for 2 minutes and we take it out. In same pan I add 1 big spoon of butter. I add 1 piece of onion, mix it till I get gold color. In this step we need to add 1 big spoon of flour. We mix it very well for 20 seconds. After we add 1 cup of water. We take the water from the pasta water and we mix it for 20 seconds more. In this step we add 1 big spoon of soy sauce. We add all the spices, we mix it very well and we leave it on low heat for 1 minute. After 1 minute we see how is the sauce is thick. We add the kofta ball. We mix it for 1 minute in low heat and after we add the pasta. We mix it well and we leave it in the low heat for 2 minutes more. In this time you can add some fresh coriander before we serve. Hope everybody like it. Thank you for watching. See you for next